Welcome to Browserling's tutorial series. Today we're going to talk about geo-browsing through global data center IP addresses. So we're going to open up a Browserling session. Let's go to whatismyip.com so we can figure out what we're doing. As always, we're going to select the operating system that we want to use as well as the browser, and we will go ahead and open up that session. Right now, our session is starting in Dallas, Texas. But the bad guys are blocking that IP address, and so let's see if we can route around that and go through a different country. We're going to select, let's proxy through Sweden. So we'll set the location to Sweden, and within a couple of seconds, we'll refresh the page, and we are now proxying through Spanga, Sweden. Next, let's try Chile. We'll select that location as well, and then within a couple of seconds, we'll refresh the page. And now we are going through Santiago, Chile. Thanks. What other features can we add for you? Browserling.com.